You got huge clearance. Yes, huge clearance at the Lowe's. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, so we can buy more tools like this, make better review videos. That's the way YouTube runs the platform by subscribes and likes. So help out this channel by doing so. Alright, we got the MVP big savings, buy one get one free. You got the Flex and the DeWalt's. Still, these deals are running. We got the AC now that it's getting pretty hot. It gets to 119, 120 degrees here in Phoenix. Yes, these are very, very necessary for the garage. If you guys got a shop, always make this consideration here, because these are very efficient and they will cool your garage down in no time. Alright, personally, I do have the 12K in my workshop, as you know, where I film these videos. Not these videos, but you know, where I film the versus videos with, you know, with the drills and all that. Anyways, we got this is a self-propelled mower. This is a 21-inch 449. It's not from 549. This is actually not a bad deal for a self-propelled mower. 6 amp hour battery. It's one of the newer mowers out there. So pretty good deals on these. Definitely check those out. $329 for the Cobalt 40 volt 20-inch rear wheel drive mower. Not a bad deal for this one either. So if you got a smaller yard, I would definitely go with that one. If not, you got a bigger yard like me, go with Eagle. I do have a huge yard, quarter of an acre, about less than a half of an acre I have. So got the battery and charger top stock. It says stock, top stock. $498 for the Craftsman 3300 psi with the Honda engine. So pretty good deal on that one. Well, not a pretty good deal, but a pretty decent deal. $249 was $349. This one's on clearance, guys. This one's a really, really nice deal. Got an Eagle misting fan bear tool down from $279 to $111. I was tempted to buy it, but I do have to save up money, because you know, I got other things I have to buy first. All right, so $204 for this. These are all on clearance. This is an ice maker down to $629 from $630. I know it's $1, but usually they'll lower these a lot more. Like this one was $949, now it's $474. So lots of good deals on these. Definitely check these out if you guys have rental properties. If you guys have just want to remodel your house, just take a quick peek there. Maybe you find something that you like this washer. This was a pretty good deal. Turned from $10.55, it's 50% off basically. So definitely check these out. It is a Mytech Smart capable. And then you got this dryer. It's half price, almost half price there. Pretty good deal, guys. And also, this is the other clearance section, the tool clearance section that they had. It's big. You guys will see it right now. It's huge. But this was the pass load nails. There's 213 nailer. This one's 99 down from 159. It's a 6 feet times 3 all in one, a 3-in-1 step ladder. That is the big section. They do have a whole bunch of ladders on clearance. Make sure you guys take a quick peek. Like I said, you guys may find them way cheaper than what you see them here. And these are all the modes you guys can use these ladders: stairways, twin ladder, extension ladder. So all sorts of features that they have. These are really nice ladders. Definitely check these out, guys. For around 150 bucks, I think these are fairly decent deals. All right, so this one's 129 down from 189. Killer deal on that one. Check this one out too. This one's pretty nice. 375 load capacity, so you know, up to 2 people basically, one on each side. If you're medium size. You got different step ladder, stairway, twin ladder, extension ladder. So 129 up for 189. I believe this one's fiberglass. So I don't really like fiberglass because with the sun, you're gonna get it on your hands eventually. This one's the 6 feet times 3, 3-in-1 step ladder. 99 down for 159. Pretty good deals. Yeah, these fiberglass, I would definitely keep them indoors. You know, keep them in your garage, or if you're gonna keep them in the workshop, get aluminum. All right, so and then they got this one. This one we saw it last time, but I don't know the price on this one. That is the item number there. Make sure you guys check that out at your store. You got the long-handled tool organizer, 22 bucks. Great for the garage or storage. And then yeah, this is the other the other side of the clearance section here, you got some drive pins there. A pin and with washer, $467. These are designed to be into concrete or wood, or just depending on what your application. They're designing it to go with this. You actually have to put a powder. I believe this is a 22 caliber. You have to put in there, and that one's hammered activated. So $18 for that. Two handle fast rack rail, $13 down from $14.98. And they got the fast cooler hook, $8, $8.47. Just like a different type of hook. And then they got this for the roof, like if you're mounting something or on the side or some angled roof bracket. $8.98. Magnetic toolbar, $12.73. These are great to have in your toolboxes, so you can hang out your tools and your screwdrivers and all that stuff. If you want to save some space. Clearance, guys. This is the Eagle mower on clearance. $749 down to $374. This is a killer deal. The battery itself is worth it. I would definitely buy it, but I already have one of these. So I don't have a self-propelled that, very tempting to buy a self-propelled, especially at that clearance price. $26 from 20 piece there. And then you got this LED light, smart light strip, $22. You got another lawnmower here for $299. Was $329, I believe. You got the Arrow glue gun, down to $5. Very inexpensive, just for the kids or for the wife, whoever wants to make some projects. And then you got some hooks here for the tools. 20 pounds max, $11.98. So lots of garage organizers, hang your tools and all that stuff. T59 Arrow stapler. 17 was $39. And there's the staples that go with it. So $319 or $317, my bad. $279, they're from $299. There's a 4-tier steel shelf. I'm still on the lookout for something like this because I need something to store all the tools that I have in the shop area. And we got this one on the tool section here, $169, they're for $199. So Trade Stack Pro Tower. It's actually pretty nice. This one's on clearance, even cheaper. It does come with the crate on the top, so $111. Not bad at all if you're a DIY prosumer, like to carry your own tools, DIY. $149 from $219. There's a mechanics tool set, 227 piece. It's a nice set there, some drawers. And then made in the USA, guys. I don't know, people are going crazy over these on the internets. So $69.98. I don't know what's all the fuss on these because they're made in the USA. They're not going to be made in the USA. A lot of people are reselling these. I don't know if they're going to wait and resell them. Limited edition, I guess. But people are just buying these crazy. I mean, they're filling up the carts and they're hoping they're going to be double the money or something. I don't know. Let us know in the comment section. What do you guys think? $49.98 for the 59 piece. I personally think that do not care if it's made in the USA or China. I do prefer that it's made in the USA because obviously you want to keep the jobs going. But the way things are right now, I mean, it could be either here or in China as long as the product's here. And it's got another made in the USA, $143 down for $179. And then you got the buy one get one free, $149. You get the starter kit, and then you get a free tool. That is the starter kit there. You can buy. It does come with a small and a big battery, so it's a pretty good deal. All the tools are on the other side. Got a 5-tool combo kit on clearance for $149 or for $199. It's actually not a bad deal for this one, for your DIY. 1-tool tools for the house. Lots of good deals on this one. You got impact driver, and then you got the drill driver on sale here for $89. So definitely the $149 is the killer one. A reciprocating saw. And then you got a planer, $127 down from $159. Got a reciprocating saw, $125. They did drop down the price on this one, was $179. And then this one's $129 down from $249. It's a 2-piece combo kit, triple hammer. That's a killer deal on that one. But this it is current to August the 2nd. This one's 36 volts, 4 amp hour battery and starter kit. and Metabo 36. You get a free Metabo multi-bolt speed reciprocating saw or circular saw or a rear handle circular saw. Impact driver kit for $99. You got a 1/2 inch drill kit, $79. Alright, you got a light here. This is a floodlight from Flex, 63 down from 79. It's actually a pretty good deal if you're on the Flex line. You got a drywall cutout tool, 79 down from 99.99. And you got a paddle switch angle grinder, 199 down from 249. It's actually a pretty good deal. And a screw gun with the magazine, 127. You got a drywall cutout tool. Like I said, we saw this before. Yeah, this one's the big one here. This is a rear handle circular saw with a stack pack. So 7 1/4 circular saw, rear handle. Pretty good deal for $319. $150 a piece. That's actually a dang good deal. You got a 2-speed hammer drill with turbo mode, $119. And then same thing with this one. Buy one get one free. 4-tool combo kit and Bosch 2 combo kits. Get yourself a free tool, or I mean not a free 4 amp hour battery. That's actually a pretty good deal. Same thing with these. Buy one get one free. So these are all the free tools you guys could choose. These are great deals, especially the impact wrenches, circular saw, the 5 amp hour battery, the oscillating tool, the reciprocating saw. And these are all the tools that you do have to buy to get that. Definitely the $199 is the best one to get. The best bang for your buck there. 69 down from 109. This is an 18 gauge narrow crown stapler from Metabo. You guys know Metabo's top of the line on pneumatic and electric nail guns. Black and gold for $10. This is actually a pretty dang good deal. Somebody just doing a project around the house. This was definitely a really good deal. This is like Black Friday deals prices. This is a 14 piece, and then we got the 27 piece here to the left. It does include some drill bits. That is $14.98. Some 2-inch bits, some 1-inch bits, and a quick load sleeve there. A bit holder. That's the quick load or rapid load that they call it. So that's pretty good. Some drill bits, very simple, but it works. Got everything. This one's even better, guys. Tic Tac, some nut drivers there at the bottom. Some 3-inch bits, and guess what? A right angle adapter for your impact gun for $24. Killer deal. Guys, that's it for today. Make sure you guys have a great weekend. Stay safe, stay cool out there. I know it's really hot in most of the USA. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.